Hey, what's going on YouTube? In another video, I told you about potential red flags to look for when you're buying your home. But this week, I'm going to be talking to you about specific hidden home maintenance costs that other people may not tell you about. Alright, let's face it, you really don't know who all has a key to your new house you just purchased. One of the first things that you should do, and something I suggest to all my buyers, is go ahead and plan to buy all new locks for the house. If you're buying a property that has a lot of trees that need trimmed, or you think you might have one that you want to take down, make sure you know what kind of cost you're getting yourself into before you start saving up, because it may be a little bit more expensive than you think. Taking down a tree can be upwards of $4,000 depending on how high it is and all the other surrounding things that have to be taken into consideration, like power lines. Taking care of your HVAC system is another cost that many people don't budget for, but you need to make sure that you have money set aside to take care of new air filters for your furnace and AC every single month. Probably going to run you about $10 to $25 a month for something like that. In addition to that, you're going to need a service plan to take care of your units. Twice a year, somebody's going to come out, clean out the units, and make sure they're serviced and ready to go. Some states require them, but not everybody. But the truth of the matter is, it doesn't matter, because having a fire extinguisher on hand is always a good idea. If you're buying a house and you don't have one ready to roll, or if somebody's leaving an old one that might be expired, go ahead and plan on buying another one to have it ready just in case. Typically during the inspection process, you're going to have a WDI, or wood destroying insect inspection. That's going to be great to let you know if you have any termites or other things that need to be treated before moving into the house. But you also need to get a recurring pest control contract. You want to make sure that you're taking care of any ants, spiders, or other pests that could be a problem for your house down the road. If you're buying a house with a fireplace, the home inspection is usually going to do a visual inspection to make sure everything looks like it's operating correctly. But they're also going to put in some information that says prior to using this unit annually, you should make sure that you have someone out to clean the chimney so it's safe for use. It's probably going to cost you a little bit of money, but you should go ahead and budget that in for an annual cost to make sure everything is running safely. Thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage. As always, you can check the description on this video for a link to the article where I found this information. If you can think of any other hidden home maintenance costs, let me know in the comments down below. Also, like this video and share it with any of your friends who are thinking about buying a new home.